falling head over heels, understanding, swept off one's feet. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful and sometimes perplexing world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a charming phrase that often pops up in stories of romance and grand gestures: swept off one's feet. Stick around as we break down its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Let's get started. The phrase, swept off one's feet, is used to describe a strong, often sudden, feeling of being enamored or falling in love. It conjures the image of someone being so struck by another person's charm, appearance, or gesture that they feel as though they're literally lifted off the ground. This expression can also extend beyond romantic contexts to describe any overwhelming emotion that takes someone by surprise and leaves them feeling elated or deeply impressed. While the exact origin of swept off one's feet is a bit murky, it's widely believed to be rooted in the physical act of being swept away by something powerful, such as a wave or a gust of wind. This metaphorical usage has evolved over time to symbolize the overpowering force of love or attraction, painting a vivid picture of the emotional tumult involved in falling head over heels for someone. Incorporating swept off one's feet into your vocabulary can add a touch of romance or dramatic flair to your conversations. Here are a few examples of how it can be used. Romantic context. The first time they met, he was completely swept off his feet by her smile. Platonic context. I was swept off my feet by the breathtaking view from the mountaintop. Figurative use. Her powerful speech swept the entire audience off their feet, earning her a standing ovation. This phrase frequently appears in books, movies, and songs, often highlighting moments of intense emotional connection or admiration. Understanding its use in these contexts can help English learners grasp the subtleties of emotional expression in the language, as well as how cultural perceptions of love and admiration are conveyed through idiomatic expressions. Thank you for joining us as we explored the meaning behind being swept off one's feet. Whether it's the rush of a new love or the awe of an incredible experience, this phrase beautifully captures the essence of overwhelming joy and admiration. We hope this video helps you add a little more poetry to your English conversations. Don't forget to practice using this phrase in your own sentences, and as always, happy learning!